How to clear iPhone cache. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to clear your iPhone cache, then there are a few ways on how you can do so. So first things first, launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and tap on the apps option there. Scroll down again and navigate to Safari and tap on it, and then scroll down again and you will see the option for clear history and website data. Tap on it and further go ahead and select the all history option you see there, and finally tap on the clear history option you see there in order to clear history and data from Safari. And this is one of the many ways on how you can clear your iPhone cache. Next, in settings again, tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here you can simply go ahead and tap on each individual app and you will see the option for offload app. Tap on it and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as this will keep your data but clear cached junk in the app. The next option in order to clear your cache is simply restart your iPhone, as a simple reboot can clear temporary system cache. See if your cache is cleared yet or not, and if not, then go back to settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage again. Now, in this particular interface, iOS recalculates storage and clears some temporary system files once you restart your iPhone. So you can also then go ahead and clear the cache and recommendations shown by Apple itself under the storage tab. So you can simply clear your recently deleted album, or you can review photos and videos. Also, in iPhone storage again, navigate to the messages option you see there and tap on it, and further go ahead and delete large files and conversations and photos and GIFs. So these were a few ways on how you can clear iPhone cache. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.